Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me now? Sound check, sound check. Hello, hello. Can you get, yes? God, it's always something. It's incredible. Always something. All right. Oh. Okay, I'm not going to go over all that again, but we have all of our targets and resistance are all up in the chat. So let's go ahead and scroll up to that. Sorry that we have no sound at the beginning. I apologize, but out of my control. And we probably will have more issues. I returned my video card that I was using, and I'm waiting for computer parts. I'm gonna start building my own computer, so if I have any issues, I'm sorry. By next week all of the parts should start, so I should be done building the computer by probably last part arrives on the 30th. So let's see how that goes. So from down now till then, if I have any issues, I apologize prior. Okay. Yeah. We've had 4 negative days. I doubt that today will be negative, but you never know. Here we go. Here we go. I'm looking for longs, and I'm gonna do only 10-point targets. We have changed our harmonic rotation. They're a little bit longer now. They're about 9 points. So really easy to hit a 10-pointer. Here we go. This could be a long right now. Alright, I'm going to look for maybe a pullback to opening price and try to go long, or probably missed it. I was going to go long right here at 91, but want to see how it reacts to 3,700 again. We have a gap. Yeah, I think I missed it. Oh, yep. The long was at 36.90. We would have had 10 points already. I knew it. I knew it. I almost went long. All right. Halfway gap here. Let's see if it pulls back. So try to go long at probably the mid. Yep, I knew I should have gone long. Yeah, they're buying heavy. Alright, I'm going to try long right here, but oh man. Going to be a lot of sellers. Yeah, I'm going to wait until tests a little bit lower here. We're right at POC. This could be it. Let's see. high risk trade. But let's see if we can close the gap here. A high risk trade. Have my finger right on exiting this trade. Come on, come on, keep going, keep going. Get me out. All right, I'm gonna move it down here a little bit. I want to be first in line. Market almost positive. Close the gap. Let's go. Get me out. Get me out. Oh my God, that was so close. One tick. Get me out. Woo. Oh my God. Yeah, but the trade was from 90. That was the trade. We could have had almost 16 points. All right, gap is closed. Probably get some sellers here. All right, already up 500 bucks. Oh. So these are the true targets right here, guys. All right, I'm gonna go and only trade the MES now, 2 contracts. All right, I'm gonna switch over Replikanto, turn off the ES. That is it. MES only. Right, market's trying to go positive. Yeah, hesitated on going long right here. Hesitated. Would have been up 1,000 already. All right, here we go. This could be a long. Or it could fail from here. All right, here we go. All right, I'm going to give myself a lot of room here. And I'm going to see if this will ride. If it goes positive, it's going to go up. Target is 35. I'm just going to let it ride. Let it ride. So I'm up 193 on the MES. I'm going to risk 100 bucks of it. $100. Actually less. I'm going to risk 95 bucks. I make clear here at 17, depending how it reacts. Let's look back in time a little bit here. See what happened here on Friday. So there's a lot of resistance in this area right here. So it's going to be very difficult. So Tau will probably be at 15. It's not going to be easy. But very poor high on Friday. This area needs to get filled in. It might take a while, and this is why I'm gonna set it and leave it. And this is why I'm risking $100, but my target will be $252. So 2.5 R&R. But this is a trade. You just gotta set it and leave it, because it may take some time. We already challenged the mid here, so now if I see a whole bunch of selling, I will try to step out without hitting the loss, the stop loss. This could be an adding opportunity right here. I am tempted, but I am not going to. But this could be the adding right now. Ah, I'm tempted to add 2 more. This looks like a good little entry. I am tempted. All right, let's go. Oh, I shouldn't have done that, but let's go. 06. I'm going to go and put this at 06. Oh, 5.25. And I'm going to go and clear 2. Right there. Yeah, I knew I shouldn't have done it. I knew I shouldn't have done it. 2 ticks more. Yeah. They're going to do everything to stop this market from going up. Yeah. I have a feeling that was a bad ad. Ooh! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Big old buy sweep. Big old buy sweep. 1, almost 3 points. I hope that was not clearing of trades. I hope that was a buy order. We shall soon find out. That was a big old 3.5 actually. So that could be some algos, and that brought up POC. Now we are at 8.75. Oh, maybe that was a good ad. Oh, I am tempted to add this to 35. Oh, all right, let's go. This is going to take some time. Oh, and they're selling. That might have been clearing of trades. All right, we need to find support here at Friday's settlement. Yeah, that created a void here. Or we are just visiting where it initiated. But it's gonna, yep. Man, that looked good for a second. That might have been algo clearing trades. All right. Still positive. 156 on the MES. Yeah, that order might have changed everything. I'm not happy with this trade any longer. I'm not happy. I am not happy. This may take me out. And this is why I stopped trading the ES. I knew it was going to be challenging. I had a feeling. That it was not going to be easy going positive. POC lowered to 06. So market now accepting lower prices. All right, this could be an entry opportunity. Let's see. All right, I'm going to add 2 more right at my current entry. But it's not looking good. If I see any buying here, I may add it lower. But, yeah, I think this trade has turned to shits. That freaking algo. There it is. So after commission, I'm still 75 positive. No, I'm sorry. What am I saying? 46 positive. I had to do some quick math there. Oh, man. We do not want to see a challenging to opening price, but that would be a beautiful entry. So that probably was clearing of trades. All right. I'm gonna. Ooh, did not want to put a fiver. Oh my God. I did not change my ATM strategy. I only wanted 2. I only wanted 2. Alright, I'm not going to risk a whole lot here because I do not want to be a 5 long. But maybe I made a good mistake here. Let's see. But I don't think so. Need to be at 98 even. So risking $77. All right. Oh, and POC lowered. Now we are exactly at 3,700. Pretty volatile market here. Maybe that was a good mistake. All right, I gotta protect this. And POC moved up again. Now we are at 06 again. A lot of trades are taking place. Buyers are trying to take control of this market. All right, I'm going to give it a chance. I'm going to give it a chance. If we can get past 18, this will be a great trade. All right, let's see if we get any sellers here at settlement. And here comes the sellers. All right, a sell absorption, that is not good. We want to see, no, I'm not, buy absorption. We want to see a sell absorption. So we may find some more sellers here. We need to clear this area. What we need to see is a 15. This is the top of Friday's value area. So we are completely in value. Here is the low of Friday, so 86. And the high is 15. So this is why we have to pass 15. We want to get out of balance. Out of balance. So it's struggling right here. As we could see, it's obvious. All right, there's an interest at 10, about 170 orders waiting at 10. After that, they just added 1350, same amount, about 170. And then at 15, there's 146. And I'm sure they'll start to add if we clear 10. Here we go, big buy order. So this could take quite some time. I doubt that it'll just go shooting up. So I would like to be in the low 20s and just raise my stop to entry and just leave it and not even look at it. So I may take a long break. I may take a long break because I do not want to get scared out of my trade. I'm already positive, so I got nothing to lose. Put it and forget it. Because they're going to do everything to psych me out. This is an ABC, so this is a short. So if you're thinking about going shorts, this could probably be the entry right here at 09. So, oh, that ABC is killed. Need to keep going here. We got to make a new swing high. This could be the entry to go long if you're not long, because we cleared the ABC. So either it's gonna fail here, keep going down, or this is the launch to go to our first target of 17. So A, B, C down, or it could turn into a wave 3. Market is positive. NQ already 85 positive, so be careful with shorts. Let's be careful with shorts, but you never know, right? You never know. So now I'm happy it was a 5 order, 5 contract. Happy mistake, which those are few in between. Those are usually is the opposite. Oh man. All right, this is good. We want to leave POC way behind. Way behind. This is going to be a critical zone here. If we can't pass this, all right, I'm going to move stop to entry. could come crashing down. Sellers are going to do everything to take control. But we have spent, what, 99% of the time above opening price. So the launch, second launch was right here. But the true launch was right here. That was right here. That's where I wanted to go long, 36.90. That was the true entry. That one, that was my, not a mistake, because, you know, I mean, the right out of the gate to go and take a trade is a 50-50 coin toss, right? But I just can't see another negative day. It would be, I think it would be impossible. But you never know. You never know. Market does what it wants. All right, right at value high. Obviously, they went short. They want to keep this in value, at least in value. But keeping in value is keeping the market negative. So we almost have a double distribution on the market profile, on volume profile, which is not bad for us going long, because we want to have the market stop at the low volume node. So needs to stop at 05. So creating another distribution will make a support zone, and that's what we want. That's what I want. That will hold the market up. So double distribution would be perfect. So there's so between 05 and 02 should be a zone of support. But we all know when the market wants to sell off, nothing's going to stop it, right? Nothing. All right, if you're new to the channel, while I'm on a trade, I do not look at the chat. So once I'm out of this, I'll see if there's any questions. But I do not monitor the chat while I'm on a trade. Just too many opinions. Some are great, some fake me out. So I'm on my trade, and this is it. I'm sticking to my trade. All right, so 15 is the number. That's what the market needs to pass in order for my trade to go to target. And then probably we will be sideways within this area for quite some time. This is going to take maybe an hour or two. It's not going to be an easy drive up. Unless it is, great. And if it goes to target, I am done. I am done for the day, because I have a feeling that the market is going to just go choppy. But if we could pass 35, the next big target would be 80. Would be at least 74. So there could be an amazing 50-point trade. or from us, 80 points. They do not want this market to go positive. So delta is positive. We had been seeing a lot of battle of the mid, so we could have another one here which will take me out. And I'm just gonna let it take me out, because there could be an opportunity to go long at 92, and I don't want to risk 10 points. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So here's that 05. It looks like the 05 is trying to hold. If we see an 03, it's probably over. So I would have gone. I would have been stopped out if I would have added here or gone long. Yeah, challenging morning after the opening, but I was expecting this. How could you not, after 4 days of market just sinking? We lost 200 points. This could have been an add-on here. Here we go. Here we go. So first stat is going to be making a new high. We did not go to, here we go, that's done. We did not visit the overnight VPOC. Usually the market likes, that's at 84. Usually the market likes to visit the overnight. It didn't, so this could be a tell that we are to the upside. Just so that one is gone. So made a new high. We are in the first half-hour session out of the way. We are in the second one. Definitely looking like a double distribution. But we have created some poor structure underneath us. So this may be an issue that may bring us down. Right, so all of this, all poor structure. So it looks like it's trying to fill this first one here. So there could be an entry to go long at settlement, unless it wants to come down and fill all this poor structure. So in a way, it's kind of good. if we fill this now, get it out of the way. But there could be another entry right here. All right, that port structure is out of the way. So they're not letting this market stay positive. So that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 attempts at the market going positive, right? Four attempts, and they blocked it. So this could be the entry right here. High risk trade though, because it keeps failing, but this could be the entry to go long. Out of balance, pull back, long. This could actually be a wave 3 beginning. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 long. Or just an ABC right to 18. ABC up. So I needed to turn into a wave 3, obviously. But that could have been a good ad for me. Or at least one ES long. So this is good that we filled the port structure and the market bounced off of it. And here we are, positive again. So this could be a good sign if we could pass this area here. Needs to stay above. This needs to turn into support. So we need to pass 14. Oh, this is looking like a zigzag. Not good. But after a zigzag, the market resumes the trend. So if we could clear 14, the zigzag is done and the market is resuming. So a zigzag is a correction on Elliot wave. So after a correction, the market resumes the trend. So this could be another entry right now. Yeah, this looks like it was another entry. But who knows? Who knows? Not a suggestion, just an observation. And we're positive again. So it looks like sellers are getting exhausted. And that looks like it was the entry again. All right, I want this market to get inside of the support structure. I want to go make some coffee, take a break. And here we are, negative again. But NQ just keeps charging. Already 100 points. But YM is not having it. Wow. Let's take a look at the heat map. See what the heat map is showing. Let's see. Mixed emotions on the heat map. Mixed emotion. Yep, I knew this was not going to be easy. So there's that ABC. I said ABC. Anything here is the ABC. So this needs to turn into a wave 3. So need to clear 18. Otherwise, all of this is still a zigzag correction. But overall, it looks like an upside day. Just need the sellers to get exhausted. I mean, the market is obviously oversold, right? 4 days of being negative. Well, let me turn my squawk box on. So a lot of news out of China, a lot of news out of Iran. All right, now we have some more poor structures on the upside. So actually, we could lower all of this here all the way down. So we added about 2.5 points. So market sold right at the ABC, right at the C wave. It did not let it turn into a wave 3. Looks like it's trying to fill in the port structure right underneath. Or I'm just going to let myself get stopped out. Even though it's a solid entry, right? 3,700 could turn into support. But I'm following my trade. I don't care. I'm looking. I already have some chips. I got nothing to risk. So basically, my trade is a runner. POC, I wasn't paying attention, had gone all the way to 11 and then it dropped to prior 875 and now it dropped again to 06. So it looks like there was some heavy selling right here in this area. Or somebody cleared trades, but I think it's selling. We need to clear again 14. This area needs to turn into support. So challenging the mid again. So in a way it's good because it looks like the mid is holding. But in the other hand, market can't hold its highs. So it could be a tell. But here we are, 10 points higher. So it's doing full harmonic moves, full rotations. 10, 10, 10. So we need to see a 15 or an 18 point move. So we need to clear 18. Clear 18 is going to show that we are past a full harmonic move. And sellers are exhausted. So another entry at the mid. I would have been scared, but this here was a solid entry at 06. But I would have been scared. Probably I would have not gone long here. And the reason is that why are we challenging the mid again? All right, here we are. Fixing poor structures to the upside. We are Pac-Manning up. That is a good thing. Let's go. Full harmonic up. And here we are. Yes. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Again, if I reach my target, I am done. If I reach my target, I'm done for the day. I'm going to be at $1,500. I'll be very happy with that. September's been a tough day, tough month for me. Almost had 2 huge losses. I just want to make my money and run. Plus, I got some appointments this afternoon. Beginning of October, I'm going to take a little break and go to Vegas. Keep going, keep going. Yeah, I always suggest you have a escape as far as gambling. Go do something that you could gamble on. Otherwise, you gamble in the market. So I'm just gonna go and play some poker. Shoot some dice. Gotta always have a way to escape and gamble on something so you don't gamble while you're trading. Go bet on some football. Bet on something. Gamble on something.
Space opposed the Italian election, the Italian-German 10-year yield spread. That's hit 242 basis points. That's the widest level since June 15th.
Wow, that was a solid entry here, huh? Wow. Beautiful move up. All right. Woo! Keep going, keep going.
Noting the foreign trade policy has been extended for 6 months, according to a statement.
I want to get out first, so I'm going to move it down to 34. All right, already up $700. A lot of interest at 30. There's 340 orders waiting at 30. So this was area that exhausted the sellers. They just could not handle it. So it looks like support was actually at Friday's settlement. Well, this could be a nice little scalp to 30. Little 4-pointer. If it could hold 23. half a harmonic, market keeps going. If it doesn't, then it's going to pull back all the way down to 20. So it needs to keep going. Otherwise, it's going to do a full harmonic correction. Installing. It may want to pull down to 20.
So next up on the data later at the bottom of the hour, look out for the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for September, previously at -12. And could also see some potential marks from ECB's Santino.
This could be a nice little ad, but yeah, I was thinking about adding here, actually adding one ES, going long one ES, 5 points, but I'm not going to scalp. They keep adding at 30. A big magnet, but it could all stop there. It could all pull back from 30. So 30 is a number to watch. You need to hot knife right through 30. Do not want to see any icebergs or any buy absorptions at 30. Ooh, they're selling. They're selling a little bit here. It's starting to coil up. Something big is going to happen. It's either going to come crashing down to 20 or it's going to go straight to Friday's high. So again, this could be the end, guys, right here. 35, and the market just settles and goes sideways for the rest of the day, which would be a win for the buyers, right? Ending with a green daily bar is a win. As long as they can keep it above 15, will be a win. But it could do again a challenge of settlement on Friday and then just chop from 10 all the way to 35 for the rest of the day. And this is why I want none of it, because I will be trapped. The longer you trade, the longer you fall for their tricks. This is why you want to make your money and run. You don't have to trade all day. If you do, most likely you'll get your ass kicked. Keep filling your pockets with chips and then run. That's it. All right, it's coiling up. Something's going to happen. Seems like we're going to hot knife right through 30. Here we go. Here we go. If we can't pass 30, it's going to come crashing down. All right, I'm going to move my stop to the mid. But I just want out of this trade. Get me out. But this could all be a sign that it's going to go choppy. And if we hit 30, it's going to be a tell how far up we go. If we just go up about 2 ticks, that is no bueno. It needs to keep going. Okay, here we are. 1 point only, and with a... Oh, that was good. It was a sell absorption. That's a good sign. But I think it's going to pull back here. But that was a good sign. We hit a lot of stops. So that would have been a nice little scalp that I don't take, but yeah, I think we may have some issues with these stops. Oh man, I just want to get out of this trade already. I feel like I'm pushing my luck here. I wish I could clear at least some, but this is a full 5 contract trade. Come on, baby, let's go. Yeah, they keep getting knocked down here. I'm going to exit, guys. I'm going to exit. So I'll make $500. So I missed out on $200 here. I have a feeling it's going to pull down all the way to 20. 20 or 18.
Says we do need to look at reserve remuneration with TLTRO in line. So there's further rhetoric here from ECB President Lagarde.
All right. Oh man, I don't want to do this. Do not. I should just get out. I think it's gonna take quite some time now. I mean, I'm surprised at this move here. I thought it was gonna take a lot longer. So it may take longer now. Get out now will be 650 on this trade. Will be up about $700. But that cell absorption was good, but it seems like it's struggling here. Oh, I want to get out. I think it's going to pull all the way down to 17. And it's going to take me out. Oh, man. Oh. I did say I was going to set it and leave it. But this, it looks like it's struggling. So it may have to, because if you guys recall in the beginning, I said it's going to have to fill.
Comment from Lagarde in a bit of context. So this is a source reports last week suggesting.
I did say it's going to have to fill this area here and spend some time here. So I thought it was going to be a slow crawl up. So since it was not a slow crawl up, now it's going to come back down and fill it slowly before it makes a new high. Which makes it more challenging because where is the low of this move up. So if it doesn't find support here, it's gonna come down to fill more area. So all of this here is all poor structure that we have now. All of this here is all poor structure that needs to get filled just off of this. Whoops. Just off of this session and then prior session. So this is double poor structure. All right, IB is going to be over. So this is not a good sign. We need to hit target before IB is done. Otherwise, it's going to pull back, and then it's going to be the drive to break IB high, and that could take some time. Come on, keep going, keep going. Yep, that's what it looks like it's doing. It's going to leave target so it breaks IB high. Yep, it's doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. So now we got poor structure underneath us and above us. So Chop City. Chop City. So I'm not surprised. I called it, but I don't want to be in this situation. I should have cleared at 29 after I saw all of this right here. Had a feeling. But again, I said I'm going to set it and forget it. So I can't be overthinking this. I just need to let it do its thing and just hope and a prayer that it doesn't come all the way down to take me out. So they kind of fixed the double distribution up here a little bit, but now we have one from 20 all the way down to 15. So this may hold as support. So all of this poor structure, it will either be support, the market will not want to go down to fill it, or it may go straight through all the way down to 15. And that's what it's doing. So value area high of Friday needs to hold as support. All of this area here was hard to pass, so all of this needs to be all support. So from 14 to 12 needs to hold. There could be an adding opportunity somewhere here. Don't know where. Maybe right here. It could be an adding opportunity. Market doing zigzags, correcting. This is a very strong move, so and YM's almost positive. NQ lost. What did it lose? 60 points, 70 points? $40 points. So somewhere in here, there could be an add-on opportunity. I'm not going to do it because then it's going to bring my average up. My average entry will be up, and then I got to start playing with my stop. But somewhere here could be an adding opportunity. This could be it right here. Straight to target. Looks like 18. So 18 was the overnight high. It's the top of the double distribution. But it may want to come down to fill all the support structure. I just do not want to see a battle of the mid again. Alright, IB stat is in. So either we're going to see a new low or a new high. We did see a buy absorption at 18 on this last swing here. So that is not good. But then we saw a sell absorption right over here. So they're kind of balancing themselves out. Or it could have been someone that went for a large scalp and just cleared 2 points. But this could be the entry. This could be the add-on. I am tempted to add 2 more here. I am tempted. But the true add should be at 26. Oh, I am so tempted to add 2 more. Alright, I'm going to add 2 more right here. Right there. If it could clear 25. So the port structure got smaller. This hopefully will be support. This could be the launch. Coiling up, launch, go long. Or it could be the fail to come all the way down and test the mid. Looks like they're buying. But the high looks very solid. Solid high. Very solid. YM still negative. Trying to go positive. Looks like it's struggling. Let's see if the heat map has improved. The heat map has improved. Apple's up 2%, Amazon almost 3%, Microsoft 1.5%. Ooh, big sell order just came in. But we just hit a stop right here. Hopefully this is a stop pick, feel to go back up. But this is coiling up, so again, something big is going to happen here. We're either going to fail to the mid again and fill in the poor structure and the double distribution, or it's going to launch up all the way to target. But again, I was expecting this. I was expecting this fill of this area here. I am not surprised. I am not surprised at all that we are back here. I just thought there was going to be the opposite. Market fill in slowly to go and hit target. All right, I'm going to move my stop to entry. All right, so this is our new Tau now. We need to pass 22. And we got to find support at 15, 14 and 15. Do not want to see a 13. If we see a 13, it's going to go and challenge the mid again. Let me change the color of this, otherwise it's going to be confusing. So this area needs to hold right here. If it doesn't hold, it's going to challenge the mid. Yeah, I knew I should have cleared at 30, or I just have to relax and let this trade run. What a tease, all the way to 30. Well, just this could be a long right here. This could be the long. I am tempted to add. All right, I'm going to go for it. Let's see. All right, come on. Clear, clear, clear. And I'm going to actually clear at, let's see if I could just scalp a little more on this. Right, if I see it failing up here, I may just clear these two. But we need to pass 24. 24 is the tug of war line. This is the area that we need to pass right there. If we could pass that, it would be smooth sailing. All right, if I see any signs of struggling here, I'm gonna exit. I do not want to see a 17. Struggling a little bit. Interest at 17. There's 208 orders waiting. Hopefully a spoof. Ooh, I'm ready to drop this. Should have dropped it at 18. Where did I add this? Oh, I bought at 18. I bought at 18. I would have actually lost money there. I may have made a mistake adding. It's struggling. Yep. Big sell right here. Big sell. This does not look like response. This looks like initiative. If it can't hold here, it's going to challenge the mid. We are right at my VWAP, which is at 1275. Yeah, I shouldn't have added. Shouldn't have added. Should have just let my trade. Ooh, big iceberg. And POC moved up. Now we are at 13 and a quarter. So hopefully it's a buy order here on this iceberg. Otherwise it's going to come crashing down and try to fill the pore structure. So it moved from 06 to 13 and a quarter. Not happy seeing the iceberg. Unless it's a buy order. But it was above the market. So this may change everything now. Oh man. This is no good. POC moved down a little bit. POC moved down 1 point. Yep, freaking iceberg. Oh, I shouldn't have added. All right, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. I think it's going to come and take me out. That pore structure is a magnet. and we're already negative. So we went from positive 18 market is negative, and YM just lost 80 points. Yeah, I had a feeling I should have cleared at 30. Had that gut feeling. So market did a price check at an 06 prior POC. POC moved down again. Now it's at 10. Actually 9.50. We don't find buyers here. We may test opening price. Need to start clearing 16, otherwise it's not gonna happen. Or it could all be just that fake out of the market filling in that area that I mentioned that needed to be filled. So, and this is why I knew that the trade was a set it and forget it. Otherwise, I start to overthink it and I start to scare myself out or add. So there's some trades that you just gotta set it and forget it. Don't look at it, don't overthink it, let it do its thing. So either it's gonna hold or it's gonna go and test opening price. And there's no way I'm gonna bring my stop down. But I am not safe. I am right at the century number. It will want to test. If it can't hold here, it's gonna test 3,700. So my stop is horrible position. And there's 217 orders waiting at 3,700. So I think I may just exit this, or at least lose out on 2 contracts. But my average is still going to be up. Yeah, I'm between a rock and a hard place. This trade turned to shit. Yeah, I had a feeling I should have cleared. Alright, POC moved up now. Now it's at 11. So we gotta clear is 14. We can't clear 14. Chances are it's gonna challenge 92. We gotta go positive, clear 14. Yeah, should have gone out at 30 and just not dealt with the stress. Yeah, that was a solid high. That was a solid high. So again, we just may end here. It may just go chop. I was seeing some buyers. And we lost a lot of delta on this move. Lost about 6,000. All right, both stop at entry. If it can't go now, it's coming down. It's got to find support at POC, which lowered again. So the market is starting to accept lower prices. All right, YM just made a big move. At this point here, YM was negative 140 and now it's only negative 70. So it gained half in a very short period. So that could be a good sign. But my entry is shitty right now, so I can't risk it. I'm afraid of a test of 3,700. So get stopped out and look for another entry. Yeah, 14 is the number. So we went out of value, market was brought back into value, and now it's chop. So that 35 is still a solid target, but when is it going to go and break IB high? Need to find buyers here. This is crucial. This is crucial area. This will dictate the next couple of hours if we fail here. They're adding interest at 15 and they pulled it. There was 200 orders and they pulled it. That could be a good sign. You just need to be above 18. If we get above 18, then all of this will turn into support. All right, let's see. Ooh, all right, right through 14, almost. Just we do not want this as a stop pick. It cannot come back down to 09. Needs to keep going. So this may be an entry area here. Went up, came down, failed. Broke the zipper. So this could be the entry. or it's going to be a stop pick to come and bring the market all the way down. Right, YM only negative 50 points. NQ is back up. Maybe it filled in enough volume. So now we are not in a double distribution anymore. We have filled it in, but this area here is still a little poor, but it's not a double distribution anymore. So we need to be careful with outside in. If it's a solid bell, then they're gonna be going for shorts at the top. So there may be outside in, and I'm gonna leave that 10-point scalp. It looks like I went long with the 2 at 18. So I'll be happy to get those 10 points because there'll probably be a lot of sellers up here right at 28. If we could keep going. Need to stay positive. Struggling to stay above 14. Yeah, we need to start seeing 17. Yeah, it's just filling in volume, up and down, up and down. That might have been a stop pick right here. Yep, here comes the heat. Right, looks like it failed at 14. Unless it's trying to pick up stops again. This looks like a stop pick right here. If we see an 18, this was a stop pick. Come on, show me an 18. Come on, come on. YM, negative 40. Looks like it's trying to go positive. I think if we see YM positive, I think it will be our drive that we need. Confirmation. Looks like it's struggling right here. Or it could be support coil to explode up. So half a harmonic needs to start going up again. Otherwise, a half a harmonic to come down. So it needs to start going up from here. If we see it back at 10 again, I may get stopped out. This needs to turn into support. Come on, show me an 18. This may be the entry to go long if you're not long. Not a recommendation. Market is very choppy. It could all be, but this could be the entry right here. At least for an 8-point scalp. At least for an 8-point scalp. If we could pass 18. But everything right now is a struggle. Yeah, this could be an ABC South right here. And will go straight to take me out. Target would be my stop. It would be A, B, C, fail, take me out. And there it is. What did I say? Yep, it failed on the ABC. A, B, C, correction down. All right, I'm up 450. Yep, not surprised at all. Not surprised at all. All of this was all poor structure. So I'm not surprised. I should have just said it, forgot about it, left my stop where it was instead of dealing with all of this, all of this obviousness that was going to happen. I should have actually cleared at 30. That's what I should have done. And I would have been up $1,000. Had a feeling, had a gut feeling, you better clear now. Yep. All right, so now we're probably outside in. Outside is 3,700. So there's a lot of interest at 3,700. So this whole area here. So got all of this poor structure here. IB stat is still in. So we may see a challenge to opening price. So going long anywhere here is high risk. Yeah, it looked like it failed right here. That looked like it failed. Yep, it looked like a perfect ABC. Straight to my stop. I knew it. I knew it right here. I knew it was a stop pick. ABC all the way down. So it was actually a really nice 10-pointer. All right, this could be a short opportunity right here. All the way to opening price. You know what? I'm going to take a stab at this. Let's see. Let's see. Risking $37. Let's see. 10 points. Almost took a 5 lot, but all right. A sell. I'm sorry. A buy absorption. That's a good sign for shorts. So risking 37 to make $100. I'm getting out of 50. Up $100. Oh, look, I got out too soon. So, challenging area to go long here. Why? Because we're so close to breaking IB low. So, this is going to be scary. Oh, and there it is. It could have had a 10-pointer, huh? I'm not upset. And NQ negative 150. Yeah, that 30. That's going to bother me. I knew I should have gotten out of that. Knew it. All right, so we're fixing the support structure here on the downside. This could be a little long all the way. But I would be afraid to go long now since we're so close to opening price. But it looks like it's struggling to go lower, so this could be a long. Or at least up to 04. Half a harmonic up, at least. But I would be afraid because we're so close to testing opening price. But maybe a 2-point scalp. But it's a high risk trade. Alright, I'm going to risk it right here. Could be a mistake. Risking $40. A lot of interest at 3,700. There's 215 orders waiting. So it all depends how it goes through 3,700. If we see a whole bunch of stops or an iceberg, come on, let's go, let's go. Hot knife, right through it. Do not want this to be a stop pick. Obviously going to be a bunch of sells, so 800, almost 900 stops. Ah, here comes crashing down. Yep, they tried. All right, risking $22. risking 22 to make 60. If we could pass 02, it will go to 4. Go, go, go. Ooh, stopped right at 3 1/4. Almost took me out. 3 1/4. Oh my God. 3 ticks from my target. Oh man. Three ticks from my target. All right, stop at entry. Could come crashing down here. I may not be able to pass 4. Yeah, they're going to do everything to keep this market negative now. Oh my God, that was so close. 3 ticks. Is that what it was? Yep, 3 ticks. So POC is right above us. This could be, you know what? I'm going to risk this. Let's see if we could challenge at least settlement. If it could pass 06, it's going to go to 10. So right now I'm looking to make 80 bucks. And here it comes crashing down. Oh my God, 3 ticks. That sucks. Right, if it doesn't find support here, guys, it's gonna go maybe do an IB low. Now I cannot take it any longs. Now I need to either see it fail. This could actually be a short opportunity here all the way. Stop it, Benny. Stop it. This guy should be a short opportunity all the way to opening price or IB low. It may even challenge value area low of Friday. And if that breaks, if IB low breaks, we may not see new highs. So this could be a good long opportunity, but so close to IB low. Need to be under leveraged to be able to have at least a 6-point stop. Yeah, this looks like a long, but it's not. I would not go long. Either here or here. If it fails. Looks like an iceberg is waiting at 95.50. And they pulled it. They pulled the iceberg. Oh, and now there's an iceberg right above us. Just a small hidden order. It wasn't an iceberg. So this may be the order to push the market to go down to opening price. So there could be a scalp right here of 5 points. Half a rotation. Not a recommendation. Market is choppy. Could do anything, but this could be a short opportunity. Yeah, that 30 is going to bother me all day now. Oh, man. Sometimes you just got to go with your gut feeling. Go with your gut feeling. Yeah, it was a solid high. Over here, Benny. Yankee. Come here. Here. Come on, Benny. Go. Come on. Sit down. Stay. Stay. Good boy. And there it is. Nice little scalp. If you're a scalper. Okay, now this is going to be where it's going to be interesting. Either it's going to explode up right now or it's going to do an IB low. There's interest in 92. There's about 160 orders waiting. Now it's 190. This could be the long right here. I am tempted to take a too long right here. But 92 is such a magnet now that. But the market, sometimes those are orders just trying to scare the market. It's either a magnet or it's just the market doesn't want to go there to get filled. Oh, all right. All right, so we do not want to see an IB low. All right, I'm going to take... Looking for a fail here to go long. High risk trade. Very high risk trade. Very high risk trade. So I'm risking $55. NQ still positive. YM almost negative 200 points. So that was the tell, is YM not going positive. I mean, most of the time it correlates with the ES, but not always. So that was the tell, that they are still selling. YM is still in the selling mode. And we're still a little positive on the daily. So it looks like it's going to end somewhere up here, guys. It looks like it's going to be just a value day. All right, we almost clear all of these support structures. This looks like a solid low here. So if it could hold, it may go all the way to Friday's settlement. Well, here comes the heat. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, but so I'm hoping that it will not break. It broke IB. There it is. All right, IB stat is done. This may drive all the way down. Now I'm risking 72. All right. And iceberg waiting to get filled here. Oh, it was just a hidden order. Yeah, this is going to be the challenge right here. Need to pass. Right there. If we could pass that, it will challenge 37.10. Need to find a lot of buyers here. All right, so that poor structure was a big magnet, huh? Brought the market all the way down. Right, now it's a very balanced day. Very balanced day. So we're looking for outside in. Outside in. And as soon as I have a chance, I'm going to add five contracts. If I see it break the zipper here, but it's going to be a very difficult add because we still have this other zipper up here. So it's gonna be challenging. There's gonna be a lot of sellers up here. So it could be a bad idea to add. All right, here we go. Here we go. Now my risk has increased to 200. Now this will take me negative on the MES. And this looks like a stop pick right there. I think I was premature on adding. Might have made a mistake here. But they're adding interest to 95. There's 200 orders waiting at 95. So if it could pass the zipper here, it's going to be golden. And that was a very poor IB break. It was a one tick IB break. So that could be a tell, or is this going to come screaming down And first target on the downside will be 61. Yeah, that was a mistake on adding. Oh, here comes some buyers. So again, a very poor new break to IB. And we still need to keep in mind that we are still about 95% of the market is above opening price. So if we could get above opening price again, chances are it's going to challenge the mid. If we could pass first 95, we could hot knife right through 95. It may challenge the mid or at least 3702. So I'm going to move this to 3702. So this is crucial for buyers right here. This area right here. But obviously going to be sellers here. They want to extend this IB break. So this is a huge tug-of-war line. This will dictate if the market is going to go negative 50 points. Delta is still positive, but we lost 12,000 in the delta. Yeah, there's a lot of bad news to take this market negative. A lot of instability in Asia, the Middle East. A lot of reasons for the market to use it as a reason to go negative. Right? If I get stopped out, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna give myself 2 more ticks just in case it wants to bounce off of a value area low. Just in case. Oh, it took me out. Did I not move it in time? I don't think I moved it in time, huh? Looks like I did not move it in time. Shoot. So migrated all the way across IB to come and make IB low. That has to be a tell. Market did not like being positive. That took a lot of selling. 12,000 delta. That is a lot of selling in 1 hour. That is a major move. Did not think that we will see new highs. As I thought this morning, the market was most likely going to end neutral. And this is exactly what it is starting to show. You never know. But I think it's going to be a neutral day. What was support and resistance? Support and resistance. Resistance at 36.77 and 3700, and support at 36.51. So our next target is 61. So it's the low of Friday. So that's support, the low of Friday. Okay, this is a very strong low here. Very strong low. I am tempted to take another long, but high risk trade. Very high risk trade. All right, this is going to be my last trade here. If we can't get a challenge up, I'm either going to be done or I'm going to take a good break. So lots of reasons for the market to go short. I'm just trying to break the zipper. Just trying to break the zipper. A lot of interest in 95. See how the market reacts at 95. Looks like it's finding support at 90. Looks like it's finding support right here. So I'm looking for outside in trades. So the VPOC on the TPO is at 08. On volume is at 10. So either the market needs to extend all the way down to 50, or it's going to go to the inside. So it needs to extend under opening price. So this area, otherwise it's, yeah, it needs to extend underneath opening price. Otherwise it's going to show weakness, that it can't keep going, and it's going to fall back into the mid. So this is crucial for sellers. They need to see another 15 to 20 points to the downside. Starting to regain some of the delta. Still positive, but YM's already negative 230 points. And NQ is trying to go negative. Let's take a look at the heat map real quick. Heat map is mixed. But Amazon, Microsoft, and Apple and Google are still positive. So, and Tesla. So all of the big companies in the 500 are positive. So that is a good sign. So there's two camps. Some people say that the 500 follows the indices, and other people say that the indices follow the 500. I think that the indices follows the companies. Well, if we could break 95, it's going to go at least to 3,700. Man, traded a lot of contracts already. Like $40 in commission. Benny, stop it. I need to get out of this trade and take Benny for a walk. Yeah, that. Yeah, I just want to get out of this trade and end my day, because that exiting not at 30, it's going to bother me. It is bothering me. I did not go with my gut feeling, because that drive up, it was too soon. It should have crawled up. And I had a feeling deep inside, get out, and I didn't. And now it's going to bother me. Yeah, I was expecting just a slow crawl, fill in volume, find support, fill in, find support, and it was the opposite. It just drove right up. Yeah, here we go. Outside in. It may be a little too early to challenge the mid, so don't know if this trade is going to happen now. All right, I'm gonna put them all together at 03.75. So I got cut up on the second zipper. So it cleared one, but the second one got hit pretty hard with a whole bunch of stops also. This looks like an ABC, so this could be a short opportunity. We need to clear 96, otherwise this market is going to go straight to my stop. Otherwise it's going to be an ABC down. A, B, C, straight to my stop. So this could actually be a short entry right here at 95 all the way to 85. It could be a 10-pointer. I'm already stuck long, so I'm gonna try to keep my trade alive, but this could be a 10-pointer all the way down. Oh, I'm tempted to get out. Alright, I'm getting out. Oh, I should have gone out with the 5, not the 2. Yeah, this could be a 10-point trade right here. Could be a 10-pointer. Yep, there it is. It sucks. I should have gone. I clicked on the wrong button. I should have gone out with the 5 instead of the 2. And there it is. Nice little 10-pointer. I knew it. I knew it. I freaking knew it. What did I say? 10 points down. All right, guys, I'm taking a break. Positive 150 bucks. That's because of the ES. Because on the MES, I'm negative 254. No, so I'm 120 points. Yeah, this sucks. These moves are obvious, and I'm not doing what I should. At least I'm reading the market right, but I'm doing the opposite of what I should be doing. I'm doing the opposite. That was a clear short right there. Clear short. It failed to clear the zipper. Pulled back at the opening again. Clear 10-pointer. All right, I'm taking a break. I might just end my day. I'll be back. I'm a little lost here. So who's talking shit? Who's giving us issue here? For a second, I thought it was Meister, but I don't think it's Meister. TV? I have a feeling TV is Captain Price. Yeah, I have a feeling TV is Captain Price. I said that last week. Yep, it's him. Dude, what is your problem? I don't understand what your issue is. Why don't you go make your own trading room? If you're such a great trader, what is your issue? I do not understand what your problem is. Why you like being hated. You're such a great trader. Go make your own room. Go trade your money. Yeah, I had a feeling. I even said it last week, and then he came. Oh, I'm in Germany, and I said, okay, well, I'll give him a chance because maybe he is in Germany, but I had a feeling that it was Captain Price or Momo or whatever. Yep. So here we go, blocking him again, but he'll be back. He'll be back. He doesn't give up. All right, guys, I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. Wow, above opening price. So we're still 90% above opening price. This could be a tell, outside in. But oh man, I don't know if I want to trade anymore. Not know if I want to trade anymore. But this could be an outside in. This should have challenged the mid. It didn't. Or it's a sign that the market is not going to challenge the mid and it's going to go all the way down to 60. But this low here looks very strong. Oh, I'm tempted to take a two contract long. And we're still positive on the delta. I'm tempted to go long and just keep a very short stop, but no, I don't think so. But ooh, iceberg waiting at 90. Let's see how the market reacts to that. Either take this market all the way down to 60, or it's gonna take it to the mid. Oh, now there's one underneath and there's one. Okay, the one underneath is just a hidden order. The one at 90 now lower to 89.5. And it was just a hidden order. So this could be a long opportunity here. I am to take a two contract. But no, I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it. I think it's going to want to extend down. Very challenging day. It looked like an easy day at the opening. Gap closure. IB high looked like it was in. Another iceberg. So they're either trying to force this market down, or somebody is trying to bring this market to the mid. YM negative 200, NQ still positive. Ooh, I'm tempted to take a too long here. I'm going to go for very short stop. Very short stop. 87.50. Hold on, 87.50. So risking $25. This shouldn't have happened. So this could be a tell, because it should have stopped here at this zipper. When it made this low here, it should have stopped at this zipper. So it found enough buyers. I may just have a really tight stop, but it could find support at 86. But I'm not willing to risk it. But it could find support here. Because this shouldn't have happened. This shouldn't have happened. It should have stopped at 91. It should have stopped here. It should have stopped here. And it didn't. It went all the way up to almost 3,700. Or unless this was just responsive. But we're still up on the delta. So buyers are still in control. All right, I'm going to try it one more time here. One more time. I'm almost going negative here. And if it starts to go up, I'm going to try to find a place to add. Iceberg right above. Iceberg at 88 and a quarter. Let's see how we real. Just a hidden order again. If it could pass 95, it's going to go all the way to the mid. Right, I need to be careful not to be on a buying bias here. A lot of interest at 79.75. There's 200 orders waiting. Need to be careful not to be in a buying bias, but this right here, it could be a tell. And this is not the mid, so it shouldn't have stopped here. It should have kept going. But we need to find buyers. Yeah, there isn't really nothing on the downside except for Friday's low. So the poor structures are, the real poor structures are all here. It's under 36.50. And they're scattered. It's not, they're not as tight as above 3,900. All right, another hidden order waiting. This is on the buy side. This is at 86 and a quarter. So this may launch the market up. Again, I'm going to add 5 as soon as I can. And if I get stopped out, it's going to be my last trade. I don't want to make this into a huge loss. I'm already bothered by the mistakes I've made. Obvious short. That was a short here. That was a short up here. I called them out and I was on the opposite side of the trade. I didn't clear when I should have cleared. So I am not in the proper state of mind. And this is something that we all need to find in ourselves. Is okay, when are you doing the opposite of what you should be doing? The sooner you find that out, the better off you will be. You gotta figure out when you're off. Okay, I'm off. I'm making mistakes. I'm off. All right, this could be the zipper to explode up. It's coiling up. I'm tempted to add, but I'm afraid of opening price. There's going to be a lot of sellers. All right, let's go. Oh, no. How did I get 10? What the hell? 10? Oh my God. Yeah, I need to stop trading. I don't know how I have 10. Oh God. How in the hell did I put 10? Now this is going to take me negative. All right, I need to stop complaining. And I need to make this work. All right. Hopefully this is another happy mistake. So they're adding interest at, the true interest is at 3,700. But they're adding at 94. They had it at 96 and they pulled it. And POC just moved down. Wow, big move. This could be a good sign. Market may want to test those upper prices. So POC now is at 89, 36.89. That is a huge move. So either somebody is going short or they're buying the market to take it to the mid. Wow, I believe it went from 13? No, it went from 0975. That is a big move. This could be perfect long opportunity. Market may want to test the upper side to make sure that we are not oversold. I am tempted to bring this up. All right, oh man, I hope I'm not making a mistake here. Delta is still up. NQ just went negative. So now I'm risking 275. All right, if I get stopped out, I'm done. I'm gonna end up negative. Maybe I'll take a look at it in the afternoon. Yeah, I don't think my stop is safe here. And I don't want to risk anymore. I should be at 84. $84. All right, I'm going to risk another $100. Oh, man. So I'm looking for a price check. Looking for buyers to take advantage. But it looks like it's being blocked up at 90. So looking for outside in. VPOC on volume is at 10. On TPO is at 06. But this low looks pretty solid. Looks like a solid low. But I'm just afraid of these stop picks right here. But the low looks pretty solid for now. Coiling up. If it fails here, it's going to go all the way down to 60. If it cannot hold 84, 85 area, it's going to go all the way down to 60. Need to see a 94. 94. Need to see a 94. If we could pass 94, it will challenge again 3,700. So as I mentioned earlier, I think today is going to be a balanced day. I think we'll end up either on the high 90s or low 3,700s. Which will be a win for the buyers. All right, looks like it's failing. First step will be to clear opening price. But it looks like it's finding support here. All of this, again, this shouldn't have happened. It should have, if it was going to keep going down, it should have stopped at 90. It should have never hot knifed right through opening price. And then it found support again at opening price, and it went all the way up to 3,700. We're still delta positive. So I'm seeing a run to the mid. If it gets me out, I am done for the day. All right, cannot find any sellers here. Needs to hot knife right through 94, 95. Oh, this could be a stop pick. POC moved up 2 ticks. So they're starting to slowly buy the upside. But this looks like a really nice stop pick right here. If it doesn't hold 87, this could be bad. Right, I'm having issues with my chart here. Yep, having issues. So again, I may have issues. Oh, maybe the mic wasn't on, but I'll say it again. I sent back the video card that I was using. I'm building a new computer. It's my first build, so I may have issues with my graphic card. I may have freeze until my computer is built. My chassis is not going to arrive till the 30th, so it probably won't be complete until the beginning of October. So until then, I may have issues. All right, it didn't hold. Yeah, that was a stop pick. All right, guys, I'm done. I am done. I'm negative $320. I'm done. Maybe I'll come back in the afternoon, but as of now, I am done. I'm upset about the 30. I'm on a buy bias, and I don't want to lose any more money. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.